So we're talking about tech skills. Let's break it down because I'm going to be lecturing you guys. Which one be lecture? I'm going to be teaching you guys in layman's language because I know we have some beginners like novice pata that really don't understand all this. They've been hearing about it, they don't even know what it is. They need someone to explain it to them. So I'm basically going to break it down. So let's start from the very bottom. What is a skill? Gone. Kini skill. You have been hearing text, skill, text, text. What is the skill? Gone. Having a skill, right? So let me just define skill for you. Skill is the ability for you to use your knowledge to perform a task you're given. Am I making sense? Like, you know this thing now, let me use that thing to perform this task that I'm given. That's what skill is. And now we have two types of skill. We have the hard skill, which is also called the tech skill you've been hearing, basically technical skill. And we have soft skill, which is the general skill. Now the general skill, your soft skills, are just attributes you have as a person that helps you accomplish a job, perform a job effectively. That is not the job you're to do, that is not the wisdom you use to do the job. Your soft skills just help you perform it better, right? Now your hard skill and technical skills are your specialized knowledge of a particular thing that you're using to solve problems, real life problems and situations. You need to solve them. This now you have the knowledge of this thing, right? You are going to use that knowledge you have to perform real life situations, because you're going to be working with real life situations. It's not just ordinary things. These are people's, data, people's information, things, programs, and all of that. I don't know if I make sense, right? So examples of soft skills, you have creativity, communication, decision making, yada yada yada. But when it comes to art skill, tech skill, those are the tech skill you're hearing, like cybersecurity, cloud computing, programming, blockchain, cryptocurrency, data analysis, science, and yada 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 yada. There's so many. But let's just go right into the 10 top skills. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my diary. This is your girl Debbie, and if it's your first time coming across my page, thank you so much for clicking. If you're a returning subscriber, you've always watched my videos. Thank you. So today, I'm starting a series called a series. I'm starting a series, and it's called The Roadmap to Tech by Debbie. And basically, on this series, it's going to be episode by episode, different things happening, but everything has to do with tech skills, how to go about it, what do I go for, I want to start, I don't know where to begin, what courses do I take. Everything is going to be embedded in this series that I'm about to start. And today is going to be episode 1, and we're going to be talking about 10 tech skills you should learn within 2024 and 2025. And I'm not happy when I said these are the best 10, because their demand is unexplainable, guys. There are so many tech skills, so many, that I cannot even begin to, list. But I'm just going to give you 10. And when I'm giving you this 10, I am not saying this is the only 10 that can get you where you want to be. I am not saying this is the only 10 which you can learn. I am only giving you the top 10. That is, you still have top 20, top 30. So there are so many. But I'm just going to give you the top 10. If you know whatever you want to do is not relating to any of what I'm listing, that does not mean you cannot find your benchmark. That does not mean you cannot find where you're going to relate to. There are so many tech skills. But today in this video, I'm just listing 10 tech skills you should learn within 2024 and 2025. So let's go. The first on the list is cloud computing. When I first heard of this, I'm like, is it cloud? But mastering either AWS or Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, it is very paramount that you know one of these things. Now, I'm just going to leave a picture to explain it. If you want to, dive into, you can go on to Google and search more about it. But cloud computing is one of the top high demanded tech skills. Number 2 is programming. Now, programming is the core of IT. You have to have knowledge of Java, JavaScript, C++, Python, and the likes and the likes and the likes. Programming is wide. Okay, so if you want to dive into that, you can also dive into that. It's in high demand. Okay. Number three is DevOps. This is combination of development and operations. Guys, if you want to know more about this, please do your research, okay? Number four, software engineering. This is a fundamental skill that's been for a while, but right now it is in high demand. And this is understanding the principles of your building, your testing, your maintaining, your designing a system software. But just go and do more research on it. Okay. Number five is analytics, and this is data analytics. And this is a skill where you work with the data driven climate. And you need tools like SQL, you need tools like Excel, then also data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and the likes and the likes. This one, you work with people's data, you work with real life data, right? So just go and know more about it. If you want me to talk more on this, because this is where I feel I'm based, just leave a comment down in the comment section below. Number six is project management, and this is for you to be able to manage so many projects, multiple projects across so many industries and still deliver successfully and even on time. Okay, it looks easy, sounds easy, but if you don't do your research, you might fall back or you might lack a lot of things. Number seven is cybersecurity, and this is a critical skill. Like Obonge, like the people that do this, they are not much, but they are good at it. And this is just you maintaining the integrity of the systems, right? So go and read more on it if you know you want to do this. Number eight is AI and ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine language. The combination of these two is driving the world to where we don't even know, and people are really studying it, right? So if you know you love something like this, you love AI, you want to dive into AI, please go ahead by all means. It is, I will not say it's a bed of roses, but do it if you can do it. I challenge you. Okay, so go and do more research on this because it is a lot. People that do it, they're on fire and they're making a lot, but the beginning process is not as easy as it was saying. Number nine is full stack development, and this is a combination of the front end and back end development. You can, funniest part is you can pick to do I'm a front end developer or I'm a back end developer, or you can do both full stack developer. I hate you. Okay, go ahead and do any of these three you like. And yeah, let's get to the last one. And the last one will be UI UX design. This is just creating a user friendly interface for people. And trust me, it looks easy, but it's not easy. Okay, you have to have at least graphics design skill, which I know it's not just the theory of graphics design. You have to have in-depth knowledge of a lot of graphics designing before you can even dive into this. So it's quite a lot, but if you feel like this is what you want to do, by all means proceed, because I know people that are making millions from just being a UX designer. All right, guys. So I've given you the top 10 high in demand. There are still so many, like video editing. You have there's this one they call blockchain, cryptocurrency, and the likes and the likes and the likes. There are so many. If I say top 20, I will list all of this, right? But these are the top 10 for this video. And I hope you learned one thing. If you picked one or you found one you want to do, please and please make your research, proper research, before diving into any. Research is key. You don't want to be left behind. I don't want to be doing nonsense. I don't want to be on the wrong path. This is the roadmap to tech. So if you know you want to be on tech, do not miss this show or this series or this episode on my diary, on my channel on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in episode 2. Bye.